Hi everyone, and welcome back to Belinda's DIYs. If this is your first time here, welcome. So today I'm going to be creating these Dollar Tree and Walmart Rae Dunn inspired DIYs. These were really easy to make and also very affordable. The only thing that was the most expensive was the rolling pin. So if you want to see how I create them, then please keep watching. But before we get started, I'm just going to ask if you can please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also if you'll click that bell icon, right there in the corner, so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. These are the items that I'll be using for these DIYs. First up is these 2 mugs, and these I purchased at Dollar Tree. And this plastic serving tray that I also purchased at Dollar Tree. A plastic spoon rest, and this is also from Dollar Tree. And this rolling pin that I purchased at Walmart, and this is from Mainstays. Now this was only $3 and change. Some Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Cover spray paint in the color Canyon Black. Waverly chalk paint in the color white, and a Sharpie oil base in the color white. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is take these outside and spray paint them in the color Canyon Black. The next thing that I'm going to do is paint this rolling pin, but first I'm going to tape off the handles so they don't get any paint on them. I'll be using some black acrylic paint to paint the rolling pin. I'm only going to give it 1 coat of paint and then I'm going to let it dry. Next, I'm going to paint the handles white. Okay, so now that the paint is dry, I'm ready now to write roll it, and I'm going to be using my Sharpie marker. Since I was going to be writing this freehand, I went ahead and I put these painter's tape just so they can serve as a guide for me. Okay, so now I'm going to take off the painter's tape, and this is how it turned out. And since this rolling pin is only for decorations, I'm going to add some ribbon there in the corner and a bow. And this is how it turned out. Next, I'm going to be writing the word spoon in the spoon rest. I have to tell you, it's very hard to write a freehand, so that's why I was a little bit nervous again. Anyhow, this is how it turned out. Next, I'm going to be writing in the serving tray, and I'm going to write the word serve. And this is how it turned out. I'm a little bit off. It's not quite centered, but I think it still looks okay. Okay, for my coffee mugs, I did the same thing. I put some of that painter's tape on the top and the bottom just so that I could stay within the margins. And I spelled out the word coffee, and then on the other one, I spelled out the word happy. I don't know about you, but when I drink coffee, I get very happy. I still have to bake them so that the paint won't come off. I'll go ahead and list down below the instructions in how to bake these mugs. I really do like how they turned out. Well, here is my collection of inspired Rae Dunn DIYs. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.